This guy won't tell where the Ninetales is either. Leaf Ninja. They are more stubborn than I thought. Well then, let's ask the head of the village.
Was that guy Pain? He headed toward... Oh no! He's going after Lady Tsunade! Over my dead body! Alright, here I go. Get ready to get serious.
Mission stuck.
I won't let him get away with it. He's already at the Leaf Hospital. I hope I'm not too late. One after another. I'm not letting you go. One after another. This is terrible. I can't just stand by. I'm not letting you go. One after another. How do you like that? Shadow stitching.
I can depend on him, even in a situation like this.
Too bad.
Darn it! Where did he go?
Well...
Is there another Pain? Diversionary move. Fancy. You devastated the Leaf. Now you'll pay for what you've done. Tougher than I thought.
You can't win against me. Give up.
I won't give up. I'll protect the Leaf no matter what.
You are so pathetic. Even if I fought you, I wouldn't learn anything. So...
Where'd he go? I'm not letting you go. We can't just let ourselves get kicked around. Time to reverse the momentum.
You are just a joke to me.
I'm not letting you go. I'll back you up! Reinforcements! Thanks!
Shadow stitching.
Shikamaru, I'll help you too.
Sakura! Thanks! Good. Now we've got the manpower to fight back. Let's go!
Yeah.
New buds keep popping up. Just as I thought, the leaf is dangerous. I must crush them here.
You're the one who's gonna be crushed!
One after another. Don't make me waste my energy.
Well, any time now.
He finally appeared! Let's go, Sakura. His target is the 5th Hokage.
Tsunade!
These Akatsuki are really something. I owe you something, and I always pay my debts.
I can depend on him, even in a situation like this.
I'm not letting you go.
Shadow stitching.
I owe you something, and I always pay my debts.
How do you like this? Shadow stitching.
These Akatsuki are really something. After another. I'm not letting you go. One after another. I owe you something, and I always pay my debts. We can't just let ourselves get kicked around. Time to reverse the momentum. Time to clean up. I owe you something, and I always pay my debts.
They caught me. They were faster than I thought.
We made it. Things don't always go as planned.
Fine. I'll kill you now, then.
You're not having it your way anymore.
You must know the pain. Know the pain, and you'll then understand the essence of things.
What is he talking about?
You need to receive pain from me. are no match for the power of God. Give up. Nothing can oppose God's power.
No matter what it takes, I will protect the village's future. That's the will of fire. I believe in it, and I'll keep on fighting.
Shikamaru, you did it!
Mission complete.
Your power was greater than I thought.
Never underestimate a leaf ninja.
Never underestimate. That's what I was going to say to you.
What?
While we were fighting, he was calling another pain?
You can stop all of us.
I won't let you!
This is the end of the line for you.
This is much worse than I thought.
Lady Tsunade! I have more intel on pain!
Good. Let me hear it. So they're using that black receiver to control dead bodies?
Yes. Inoichi said that the woman in the prisoner's memories did not carry a black rod. And considering Lord Jiraiya's words, the real one's not among them, this makes sense.
Makes sense. How so?
It means there's a real Pain who's controlling the bodies from elsewhere.
A real pain? What? Where is he?
If he needs to send signals to the others, he's probably at the highest location near the Leaf Village.
Yes, that would be the best location for someone sending out signals.
Lady Tsunade, I suggest a search team to scour the areas around the Leaf.
Right. I'll form a team at once.
I didn't expect you to figure so much of it out. You leaf ninja. You really are something.
This guy. Pierced nose and ears. And Rinnegan. You must be Pain from the Akatsuki.
I'm honored the Hokage knows me, but I don't have time for chatting. I'll get straight to the point. Where's Naruto Uzumaki, the Nine-Tails?
Don't know.
Trying to protect the Nine-Tails will avail you nothing. You must know by now that you have no chance of prevailing over us.
Don't underestimate us. We will never bow to you. You who seek to destroy the peace and stability our predecessors obtained and have strived to maintain until now.
You are arrogant. Your so-called peace brought violence upon us.
I can't say that everything the Leaf did in the past was right. But I won't sit by and let you destroy us because of that.
This is the last chance that an impatient god will give you. Where is Naruto?
We will fight you to the last breath. I have nothing more to say to you. Except you're wrong about one thing for sure.
Wrong?
What you desire most, you will never have.
If you think that the Leaf Ninja can protect Naruto,
No, not us. Naruto is stronger than you know.
this conversation is going nowhere. I'm wasting my time asking you where the Nine Tails is. So, I'll ask her.
Shizune! Unbelievable! When did he...
Mount Myoboku.
What? He read her mind?
Naruto is not here. Mount Myoboku. Mount Myoboku. I believe that's the Toad's hidden village, no? I will tarry here no longer.
Pain!
Tricks are of no use against a god. Nothing is of any use against overwhelming force. You and the other mighty nations proved that over the years. You think of yourselves as the major powers of this world and push death out of your thoughts. Lulled by peace, you've become weak and shallow. If you kill, you shall be killed. Hatred connects the two.
Quit talking nonsense!
In battle, both sides suffer death, injury, and pain.
We nations have suffered our share of pain! How dare you lay false charges and make unwarranted attacks!
How absurd. Feel pain. Contemplate pain. Accept pain. Know pain. Those who do not know pain will never understand true peace.
What's he planning?